This is our easy pork steak, mashed potato, and green bean dinner. This came together in about 10 minutes, including prep time. It's very simple, very easy, and delicious. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to make it. We're going to start off by placing a napkin in the microwave with a medium potato. We're going to cook this potato for 1 minute and 30 seconds on high in the microwave. Our potato is ready on one side. Let's flip this over. Make sure it's soft, it's pliable, feels good. We're going to go 1 minute and cook the other side. Our potato is done. It's very hot, but it's very pliable. That's what you want. We're going to set our potato aside and we're going to start working on our pork steak. Pork steak, we're going to start off with a little bit of Kinder's all-purpose seasoning. Cracked black pepper. Get the other side. And cracked black pepper. In the meantime, let's turn our fire on. While we're waiting for our potato to cool and our pan to warm up, we're going to start cutting up some vegetables. A little bit of celery. Chop these up. Green pepper. Chop this up. You want all your pieces to be about the same size so they cook evenly. And one mushroom. That's all the vegetables. Fire's warmed up. Let's add our oil. And we're going to put in our pork steak. Pork steak away from the heat. Make sure it goes in the oil so it doesn't stick. Turn this down to a low heat. Next, you want to add your vegetables. Doesn't take many. This is going to be for one person. And you can add more meat. You can add chicken, sausage, anything you want to in there. Put this down. Let's add a lid so it cooks a little faster. In the meantime, our potato is cooled. Peel should come off very easy. Still a little hot. Be careful. It's a nice, quick way of doing this. Have a mashed potatoes. We place our potato on a plate and we'll wait till this gets finished. This is going to cook very, very fast, like I said. About done. We're going to pull our pork steak off. Put it on the plate, and we're going to add some chicken base, about 2 teaspoons worth, and some flour. About also 2 teaspoons worth. 2 teaspoons, half tablespoon. Mix your flour up in there so it doesn't burn. Let this come to heating. Then we're going to add in about half a cup of half and half. Let this thicken. In the meantime, while this is thickening up, we want to get our potatoes ready. Take our potatoes, we're going to cut them. We're going to mash them. We're not making mashed potatoes, but we're making potatoes kind of semi-mashed. Kind of faux mashed, if you will. These go on the plate. This is thickening up. We're going to add a few shots of Maggi seasoning to your taste. And we're going to add some cracked black pepper. It's thickening up good. This can be turned off. We have some green beans out of the freezer. So I'm going to take these, put them into a microwave safe container. Going to add a little bit of butter. And we're going to put this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. While we're waiting, get some good gravy. Oh my gosh, this looks killer. Here's our plate so far. Here's our green beans out of the microwave. Good hot. These came from a frozen state. Let's put these on a plate and get ready to finish the meal. Let's add a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic to the green beans. And that's our plate. This entire thing came together in about 10 minutes, including the prep, the cutting, everything else. You can do this. This is very easy. We should have had a bigger piece of meat, I agree. 2 ounces of meat is not very much, but use what you have on hand. This could have been chicken, this could have been steak, this could have been fish. Point is, comes together very fast, technique, very easy. I hope this showed you how to cook an easy, decent, budget, healthy meal. Let's give this a shot. We've got mashed potatoes, we have pork steak, we have green beans. And I add a little bit of habanero on there for flavor. Let's try these mashed potatoes. Very simple out of a microwave. Cooked in 1.5 minutes. I used a very small piece of pork here, because that's what we have on hand. But pork can be used for seasoning. Let's try this, see how it is. Don't get too big a bite. Very rich gravy, very good taste on the pork. Green beans to the side. Green beans also cooked in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. This thing was quick. You saw the video. In the meantime, if you want to see more videos on how to cook for yourself, on how to cook basic, simple, economic meals, subscribe to the channel, give me a comment, let me know what you'd like to see, let me know what your favorite simple meal is, and we'll keep doing this. In the meantime, we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. Thanks for watching.